Day 3 and 4, I'm creating an app to fix my hair. So, hey guys, sorry I didn't get back to you yesterday, but the phone was busy. I had a lot to do yesterday. Besides work, I had to go get the Android phone. Why did I have to go get an Android phone? Because I couldn't remember my passwords to my regular Android phone to my old Android phone. And for me to get the app approved in the Google Play Store, you have to use it on an Android device. Oh yeah, by the way, that app is thanks to AI. Now, literally, I am able to create the app faster than I'm able to get it in the App Store. So it could probably another 2 weeks for it to be approved by the App Store. But the app is that works fine. So yesterday, I drove by an app and I like to save $1. So I didn't go to Best Buy. I went to Facebook Marketplace. Saw this guy that sold this on my camera for like $60, maybe an hour away from my house. Was kind of shady. Told me in this location. It was like a little bodega place, a little strip mall. He was actually pretty nice and somewhat legit. So I got this Android phone, came back home. I was able to put the app on there, and it works. It works really well. AI is taking over. It's crazy what you can do with AI. You can pretty much do anything. And one thing, you can mix it with robotics to give you that physical side of labor. I think we'll all be out of it. Having your AI overload. But anyway, that's beside the point. But, so, guys, the app is that at least the Android, the iOS, I'm gonna put that in the iOS store and see how it turns out. And probably long the process like 2 weeks. I think with this speed of making apps, I could probably make an app for 3 weeks. Continue to follow the app. I am looking for testers. If you have an Android phone, you can use my DMs. I can send you the link to the tester for the app. Tell me how it's working, how it's downloading, any bugs, that kind of stuff. Please let me know. I'll be working on my marketing strategy using the AI, of course. This whole thing will be run with AI. There'll be a 100-man team with AI agents and services that can do the work of 2000. So I'm building a company just using AI. I like it actually. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good one. Continue to follow for more. Keep you guys updated.